Welcome back to the desk management presentation from Room Manager. This is the video number 3, the approach from the interactive floor plan. So far we have seen the online SharePoint form, we have seen in the video 2 the mobile app, and now we have the video 3 with the interactive floor plan. So interactive floor plan means that for the desk booking, the user can use as well from the web browser an interactive office or floor plan. Now, step 1 is, as the administrator needs to define first the floor plans. This way, under the new floor plan, the administrator can select for which location he would like to upload the floor plan. So let's say we want to do it for New York. The step 2 is to select the floor plan and to upload the floor or the office plan as an image file. Any image file that you have can be used. So you can select choose file, and then you see on the picture all the available office plans will open. That has been defined by you, JPEG, PNG, whatever it is, it's just an image format, and then you say open. And the floor plan that you want to use for New York, Queens for example, is showing up here, and then you just add the file. It's uploaded to your library on your desk management site. So this I have already done, step number 1. Step number 2 is the existing floor plans can now be modified. So let's see what floor plan I have for London, which I have previously uploaded. So I select the location, I select the floor plan that I've previously updated for London Piccadilly at the 2nd floor, and then I say show desks. So under the show desks, you see that I can now go ahead and put these indicators here in green for the new desks, or any spot like a meeting room or an open space can be used. And the way to do that, this is one time that the administrator needs to do, is by saying add desk. You can enter here the desk number. I don't know, let's say this is desk number 13, and desk information can be filled up directly in the desk information field, and the desk can be added. It's added as you see here, as a pin in green, and now you can just place this desk wherever you want. You can as well move around the desks, the existing desks that has been added, and that way you can really customize and lay out for the location London, in Piccadilly, the 2nd floor, all your desks you want. You can update later, or you can just delete again this desk 13 that you have added. By clicking update floor plan, the London Piccadilly 2nd floor will be available. Step 3, how does the booking from the floor plan works? Well, the user goes to the desk booking floor plan, as you can see here, selects the site, selects the floor plan available in New York, selects the start date, let's say from 8 a.m. February 24th till 24th, maybe 2 p.m., show available desk, and all the available desks are showing dynamically. In green, all the desks which are free for the given location, date and time, and in red, all the booked spaces. You can zoom in and zoom out the desk plan. Very nice to handle. Even large plans can be managed that way. And then you just click at the desk you would like to book with the event title. The desk title is given, the desk information, the booking information about the location, which floor, start date, end date, and if it's an all-day event or not. So when I book this, book now, you see immediately the booking confirmation appears, and you see that the New York desk 3 has been booked by me. If I refresh this page, and the next time I come again to New York, let's say to London again, and I say show me all the available desks from 23rd till the 25th, for example, from 8 to 3 p.m., show available desk. Now you see as well that this desk, for example, has been already booked, and if I would like to sit next to this person, I can select any free desk and do it the same way like I have did before. All this information about the desk reservations are again added to the desk reservations list with all the details. Let me show you that as well. So you see this is the booking that I have done with the title, the location, the desk that I've booked, the from to time with the duration 6 hours reserved by me, and all the other informations related to that. So let me summarize. We have seen the desk management solution for SharePoint and Office 365. Video 1 has shown you the approach from the online SharePoint form. The second video was the mobile app, and the video 3 was the interactive floor plan. Thank you very much for your time and your audience.